All of you. Today I want to standing here in front of you to tell you some our business topic businesses. I am Aryan from grade 11 commerce student. Firstly, I want to describe about meaning of business risk. Business it means that rate of profit or even losses in the business because of uncertainties. In other words, we say risk means possibility of loss. Even business risk is unavoidable. Unavoidable means it cannot be avoided. It cannot be ignored. The term business risk refer to the possibility of inadequate profit or even losses due to uncertainties and unexpected events. Now we will learn about the definition of business risk. According to Hardy, it is the uncertainty of loss or profit or even losses in the business. And now we will learn about the types of business risk. There are two types of business risk: speculative risk and pure risk. Speculative risk, there should be possibility of loss or even profit. Like buying new machinery. When we invest in new machinery, there should not be only loss. It would be profit in future. Pure risk, there should be possibility completely loss. It is completely full of loss due to economic risk, natural risk, and human risks. Now we will describe about the causes of business risk. How business risk is created. There are three types of business risk: natural causes, human causes, and economic causes. Human causes, these are those causes which are beyond the power of man. Man can only think about them but not sure, like flood, drought. Human causes, human created a important role in creating business risk. They are the causes born out of carelessness, dishonesty by people, dishonesty by employees. Economic human causes. The human causes of business risk are due to the loss of business that arise from changes in customer preference, employee mindset. Third, economic causes. They are related to the market. They are related to the marketing taking place, like change in price. Thank you and have a nice day.